if the population of a town in the year 2018 was 1,32,300, if the population of the town increases every year by 5%, what was the population of the town in the year 2016? Let's try to understand this question first. So, right now we are in 2018 as per the question. Here the population is 1,32,300. This is the population which is given in 2018. Now, in this particular town, every year 5% of the population increases. So, they are asking you the population which was there in 2016. So, there would be some population in 2016. It would increase by 5%. You will get the population in 2017. In 2017, again there will be an increase of 5% and you will get the 1,32,300 population which is given for 2018. I hope the question uh, is making sense to you. You can have a look at the question again. The population of the town in the year 2018 was 1,32,300. If the population of the town increases every year by 5%, what was the population of the town in the year 2016? That is 2 years back they are asking. This is a bit complicated question because there will be some calculation which will be involved, some heavy calculation which will be involved. Let's try to understand. Now, what I have assumed is that the population in 2017 is X. Why am I assuming this? You will understand shortly. So, I have assumed this to be X. Now, this 1,32,300, how do I get this? So, if the population in 2017 is X, if I increase it by 5%, that is 5% into X, and then I add X, which was the population in 2017, I will get 1,32,300. Hope this is making sense. See, this is the population in 2017 plus increase, and this once I have increased, this becomes 1,32,300. Hope this is making sense. Now I have to add this. This I have written as uh, 100x upon 100, 100x upon 100, and this is 5x upon 100, and this is equal to 1,32,300. Why I have written it like this is because I want to make the denominator. So say hi to Omi. Because I want to make the denominator of x as 100. So that is why I have multiplied the numerator and denominator by 100. So now I add these. So 100x plus 5x is equal to 105x upon 100 is equal to 1,32,300. Then I have to solve this bit of basic calculation. You can have a look at the PDF. And finally, I'll get the answer as 1,26,000. Now 1,26,000 is the population of the town in 2017. Please remember, whenever you are doing word problems, always remember what is X. In this case, your population in 2017 is X. So this will be equal to 1,26,000. Okay. Now, once you have found this to be 1 lakh, let me rub this. Once you have found this to be 1,26,000, 1,26,000, then I'll have to find the population in 2016, and I'll be using the same logic which I have used now. I'll assume that the population in 2016 is Y, then the population in 2016 plus increase of 5% on this Y. So 5% of Y, this is the increase, and this will be equal to 1,26,000, and then we solve for Y. I hope this is making sense. See, as I told you before, adding these kind of x's, the algebraic terms, this is a skill that you will have to develop. So y plus 5% of y is equal to 1,26,000, and now in this case the y is the population in 2016. So let population in 2016 be y. So y plus y, 5 upon 100 y is equal to 1,26,000. I have written this y as 100 y upon 100, so that just to make the addition of these two simpler, and then I calculate for y, and y is equal to 1,20,000. So 1,20,000, 1,20,000, 1,20,000 is the population in 2016. Now, there is something that I want to discuss before we move on to the next question. See, let's try to understand this question again. Now that we have the answer, let's look at the question again. So in 2016, the population was 1,20,000. Yeah, it increased by 5%. So 5% of 1,20,000 is 6,000. Yeah. So I'll add 6,000 to 1,20,000. So it will become 1,26,000. Hope this is making sense. So that is why 1,20,000, you increase 5%, it becomes 1,26,000. Now in this 1,26,000, you add 5% again. How will you do that? You'll find the 5% of 1,26,000. You can find this, and when you add 1,26,000 plus this answer, you will get 1,32,300. Hope this is making sense now. So in 2016, the population was 1,20,000. In 2017, it was 1,26,000. And in 2018, it is 1,32,300. So this is how these kind of questions are done. And this is a bit tricky question. And let's move to question number 7.